The Dreambetter Cordless Pressure Washer delivers an impressive maximum water pressure of 1,060 pounds per square inch, making it powerful enough for a variety of cleaning tasks. Equipped with a 4,000 milliampere hour battery, this pressure washer can run for over 40 minutes on a single charge, ensuring you have ample time to complete your cleaning projects. The 6-in-1 nozzle offers 6 different spray modes, from a focused 0-degree jet to a wide shower mode, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. Its lightweight, compact, and cordless design makes it extremely portable, allowing you to carry it effortlessly and use it in various locations. The 16-foot hose with a filter basket effectively filters impurities, making it safe to draw water from multiple sources, such as buckets, pools, or rivers. This versatile pressure washer is ideal for a wide range of applications, including cleaning cars, floors, windows, and even watering plants.